I spent over $1 million trying to fix myself. Vegan, carnivore, fruitarian, 10-day fast, every biohacking device known to man, stem cells injected into my brain, 4 ketamine injections, antidepressants, antipsychotics, I drank my own urine, and I flew to the Amazon jungle and drank ayahuasca 31 times. And I still felt like I was dying. Here's what I missed and what most people in the health space will never tell you. The problem was never in my head. The problem was in my cells. My cells were dirty, toxic, suffocating, and until I cleaned them out, nothing else could work. The ayahuasca couldn't hold, the supplements had nothing to land on, the biohacks were like putting high-octane fuel into a clogged engine. And here's the part nobody talks about properly. Your liver works incredibly hard every day. It packages up toxins and dumps them into your digestive tract to be eliminated. But if nothing is there to catch those toxins on the way out, they get reabsorbed back through the gut wall, back into your blood, back into your organs and your brain. You are detoxing and retoxing in circles. Every supplement, every cleanse, every ceremony, if you don't have binders catching the debris on the way out, you're wasting your time and your money. This is why I spent $1 million and I still felt like I was dying. So here's where binders come into play. What does a binder actually do? It physically grabs onto toxins in your gut and escorts them out through your stool for good. That's it. That's the mechanism that broke the cycle for me. Here's exactly what I used and still use to this day. Zeolite, which is a cage-like mineral from volcanic rock, carries a negative charge, grabs positively charged toxins and locks them in. Bamboo charcoal, gentle, effective, 2 to 3 scoops in the cocktail. Great if you're sensitive or if you're just starting out. Also, True Carbon Cleanse, which is an activated carbon, zeolite, plus humic and fulvic acids. It goes deeper into the tissues, catches what the other binders miss. Last but not least, modified citrus pectin. This one is underrated. Comes from citrus peels, binds heavy metals. It also breaks down galactin-3, which is a protein that drives chronic systemic inflammation. Mix them all in a big glass jar, always glass, never plastic, because binders will pull the chemicals from the plastic and you'd be drinking what you're trying to remove out of your body. 14 ounces of distilled water, shake hard, drink it down every morning on an empty stomach. You could also do it before bed if you want. Away from food, away from supplements, this part is non-negotiable. Binders cannot tell the difference between toxins and nutrients, so if you take them with food or supplements, you're just wasting your money. Give them space and they do their job. The number one mistake people make, they take binders with meals, they don't take enough binders, or they don't do binders for long enough. They do it for a week, feel nothing, and then they quit, and they wonder why they still feel terrible. By the way, as part of this, you need to be eliminating properly. Binders grab onto toxins, but if you're constipated, those toxins will sit in your gut and recirculate. So either magnesium citrate or Boldo or Trafala so that you can sort your bowels first. Everything downstream depends on this. I spent 9 months in the Amazon looking for the answer. I sat in 31 ayahuasca ceremonies. I injected stem cells into my brain. I drank my own urine. The thing that actually worked, something simple, a glass jar, some powder, every morning, every night. My energy is different now. My brain works in ways I forgot were possible. The inflammation I carried for years is gone. If you've tried everything and nothing is working, you have not been catching the toxins on the way out. Start there. Everything else builds on this. You could check more information in the description. See you soon.